Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're excited to talk about the best Dr. Pawpaw Multipurpose Balm, an all-in-one solution that's perfect for your lips, skin, and even hair. If you're tired of carrying multiple products in your bag, this is the one-stop balm you've been looking for. The Dr. Pawpaw Multipurpose Balm is a vegan, hydrating formula enriched with natural ingredients like shea butter, aloe vera, and olive oil. These powerful ingredients are designed to provide deep hydration, ensuring your lips remain soft and nourished, even in the harshest conditions. Whether you're dealing with chapped lips, dry cuticles, or flyaways, this balm is your go-to for all-around care. But it doesn't stop there. This balm is also packed with antioxidants, which help in promoting healthy skin and rejuvenating damaged hair. It has a smooth texture that isn't greasy, making it easy to apply anywhere you need some extra moisture. From your lips to your skin to your hair, it works wonders to lock in hydration without leaving behind any heavy residue. What makes this product stand out is its versatility. You can use it to tame unruly eyebrows, nourish your hair, hydrate your skin, and even fix cracked heels. The formula is lightweight yet incredibly effective, making it perfect for daily use, no matter your skin type. And let's talk about the soothing properties. Dr. Pawpaw Multipurpose Balm helps to calm irritated skin, providing relief to dry, inflamed areas. Whether it's the dryness caused by the changing seasons or just everyday wear and tear, this balm helps you feel restored and fresh. If you're someone who values cruelty-free and eco-conscious beauty products, this balm fits the bill. It's cruelty-free, ensuring no animals are harmed in the making of this product. So not only are you taking care of yourself, but you're also supporting brands that care about the environment and animal welfare. In terms of convenience, this balm comes in a compact, travel-friendly size, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. With its multifunctional benefits, it's perfect for people on the move who want to simplify their beauty routine without sacrificing quality. So, if you're looking for a reliable, all-purpose balm that works for your lips, skin, and hair, the Dr. Pawpaw Multipurpose Balm is definitely worth trying. It's a must-have for anyone who wants a quick and effective solution for their everyday skincare and beauty needs. That's it for today's review here at Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new review of the best products out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.